Today in this video, let's discuss about the compound expression with the help of using begin. So, what's the exact meaning of compound expression? See, basically, compound expression is nothing but it's similar to functions where we can perform various types of operations and where we can assign the data to the variable. That's it. And let's begin the compound expression with the help of using begin. Okay. Let's start with the name which is known as area. Here, let's enter that area, and then is equals to begin. So that's the thing which that's an initial process, and with the help of using this begin only we're going to perform compound expressions. Let's give a base as 12. That's it. And then next let's look at the other sort of things. Let's give h height. Let's mention it as 6. And then let's give another sort of things like 1/2. Base into. So that's it. Everything is fine. So let's run and let's look at the what sort of things are we going to get right now. Yeah, so basically for the purpose of getting the output, what we need to do is we need to use the print. See, basically what exactly happens is when it comes to the real Julia programming language, no need to use a print. We can simply write it down. So as in the way just written, but it is not working. It's not a real Julia programming language. It's ideal, right? So for for the sake of that only, I'm using this println, and we got this value. So let's do one thing. Instead of this ln, let's use casual print, and what exactly happens? It will appear and it will disappear at here. 36.0 will appear and disappear. It will appear and disappear. So that's the thing which is happening. So this is all about the yeah, compound expressions. And now let's do one sort of things. I'll explain you instead of doing in this way, let's do it in another way. Okay. See, basically it's nothing but let's remove this begin, and let's choose this, and then let's do in this particular way. Array is equals to base is equals to 12. It's fine, and height is equals to 6. Even this is also fine. See, basically now we'll combine this height also. So what we need to do is we need to give the sort of things here. So let's give some space, and up to now I think is fine. So height is equals to 6, and then let's give another. Okay, and then let's choose this also. So basically as in this way also I think it can be useful. And then see, basically if you run, what exactly happens, it will appear and it will disappear again. So it's going to appear and it's checking some sort of oh my god, some errors are been happening. So what exactly happened? I think everything is fine. Only to look at other sort of things. Just a second. Let's mention ln right here, and then let's execute it again. And then let's execute. Let's try to execute it. Let's try to mention the begin, and let's again execute it. Yeah, let's mention begin. Okay. Let's mention this sort of symbol here. And then let's mention base is equals to 12 up to now height is equals to 6, and so now let's execute. Let's try to run it and let's wait and watch with what sort of output are we. So here, yeah, it's working. Yeah. Let's mention ln. So it'll appear, it will not disappear again. Run. So here you got an output which is known as 36.0. So as in this way also we're going to perform, and we're going to able to do the compound expressions. So that's the information which is completely related to the compound expressions with the help of using the begin. So that's it. Okay, yeah. Before leaving, I'll do some other sort of experiments. Instead of giving 12, let's take another value which is known as 22. And here instead of taking 6, let's take another value which is known as page. Now let's try to run and let's look with what sort of output are we gonna get. So we got an output as 88.0. So that's the thing. And as in this way, what are the things which you wanted to perform, you can simply perform. If you want to change the name also, you can simply change the name, whatever it may be. So that's it.